Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily gift a sub during a Twitch live stream. So let's begin. So if you are currently on a live stream, go over here. There's going to be a gift a sub. Click on that and a new window will open within the live stream itself. You do have the option on how you can modify this. For example, if you just want tier 1 gifts, so you can select that. Then you can choose to go anonymous. Choose the theme of the gift. This is the standard. Then you can choose how many subs you would like to give during this live stream, especially subathon events. For example, if you want to go 100, go ahead. Or you can go custom if you want to do more, or if you would like to do in between 5 to 100. So once you've made your decisions, you will see in here that you will instantly unlock your first gifter badge. So you can see these are the badges that will reflect on your beside your username. Then once you've made your decision, you will open up the payment section, make sure everything is right, confirm, and then Twitch will automatically save the changes for you. After a few seconds, it should show in the live stream that you have successfully gifted subs. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.